And here's another basic video on this very old machine. I want to make these videos so we have some record of as we move away from this old technology. Just showing kind of like a manual per se. These manuals are not in the internet. They only have paper copies, so it's worth mentioning, you know, how to use these machines. Anyway, this is a CRT MDI panel. These are your soft keys, right? They change as opposed to hard keys. Hard keys are always the same, right? If you go to position, it's always position. If you go to program, it's always going to the program. And then you see how your soft keys here, they change. And then I just press offset settings, should I say. Also, here we have, let me just dim it down a little bit. All right, cool. So it's easier to see. If you press the soft key to go outside, see how this one has macro? Some of these functions you can turn on and off via the parameter settings, right? Anyway, then you have system, which is your parameters. You have message alarm. Of course, that the alarm switch is right over here, but you would see on the machine. Also, you have history, all the alarms that you had in the past. And then you have custom graphics, and which takes you to the position. But the custom graphic on this one is really to do with on this machine with which is the 20, the Fanuc 20 series. So MG stands for machine guidance, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 machine guides. You have straight lines, which I use for taper, which is my favorite. Then you have circle, groove, roughing. That one is, this one is threading. And then you have groovings, all the different types of groovings. I forgot the name. Escaped my head right now. Anyway, so as you switch here through modes, they switch the custom graphics or manual guidance screens, right? So the cool thing about this is, let's say I want to just put a taper, right? If I just put an angle here, say like 82.875, which I believe is, see here, 82.875. It's 3 inches per foot, right? So if I press insert, look, it goes into the angle. So now all I have to do is move this, the stick here, which I have to push, go up or down, and then it would cut that taper for me, right? So, and then if I want to alter, I press alter to exit, and then I could re-enter the numbers if I wanted to. See what else. So we talk about the soft keys. We talk about some hard keys. Then we talk about machine guidance. Oh, also let's talk just a little bit here on these, because it's pretty much, you can find the manual for the new machines. They're pretty similar, but you just never know. So you have the shift key is a very important key because it gets the small letters here. So the big letters is without shift, but shift will get you the small letters and everything here on the small. Then you have cancel, input, alter, insert, delete, help, and reset if you need to reset an alarm or something like that. Other than that, that's how you put input data manually. Of course, if you want to just edit a program manually, you just go to MDI, manual data entry, and then you press program. On this one, you have to press the soft key edit, which takes you to your MDI. And then you can type, I don't know, like let's just say you look at your scratch pad here, M3S500 and the block, insert. Now it goes into here, and then as soon as I press cycle start here, this should work just fine. So this is just a general, very basic introduction kinda, if you don't have the manual for the Fanuc 20 TA. Of course, this is on a Victor 1640 DCL lathe.